There are two knowledge kits available in our technical training series. The first is an admin console training and covers the core features of the domain and management of users, groups, and devices. Are you a Google Workspace for Education customer and need some professional development regarding the Google Admin Console? This course covers all the core apps, settings, device management, and reporting tools available in the Admin Console. The second knowledge kit covers Google Vault settings to ensure understanding on settings to manage data lifecycles and settings for data retention policies, and provides administrators with the tools needed in order to gain confidence and understanding when it comes to retention policies and searching for deleted emails. Both are asynchronous training courses that cover the topics virtually and also provide technical guides, videos, and a virtual 30-minute question and answer session upon completion. These courses are great for new Google Workspace administrators or seasoned Google Workspace administrators needing a refresher. You can learn more about our knowledge kits as well as everything else Kincaid IT can do to support your school district on our website, www.kincaidit.com.